years ago, you helped Femmebit, a video art and new media festival for Los Angeles-based artists, come to fruition. Now we are planning for a 2019 venture and invite you to join us. In 2016, we showcased over 40 female artists and included several panels and performances over a 3-day period. We hosted a virtual reality room, a live VR performance, a pop-up shop, and more throughout the weekend. Due to the success of the last festival, we are proud to announce the second edition. Please consider donating to help make this next Femmebit a reality. Every little bit helps. $1, $5, $10. Thanks to everyone who supported us in 2016, and we hope you'll consider supporting us once more.